Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share the best tips and resources on tech and education. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Guvi, an online skill acceleration and hiring platform that offers technology courses in vernacular languages. If you are interested in learning and building your career in IT, then this video is for you. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. Alright, so let me start by telling you what Guvi is and how it can help you. Guvi is an IIT Madras and IIM-A incubated edtech company that focuses on providing personalized learning solutions for its learners right from online learning, upskilling and recruitment opportunities in world-class quality. Guvi offers various types of courses such as Atomic, Essential, and Premium courses. Atomic courses are available for free learning but certification comes at a nominal fee. Essential courses are available with free learning access and free certifications. Premium courses are available at an affordable price and valuable certifications are included. Guvi also offers live classes for full-stack development, data science, UI/UX program, automation and testing and more. These live classes offer guaranteed job placement support for the learners. Guvi also provides corporate training suite, lateral hiring, HYRE assessment and end-to-end campus hiring services for corporates who want to meet their hiring needs at ease. Guvi has received various awards and achievements such as being awarded by ZE Digital during ZE National Achievers Awards 2022 and breaking the record for most users taking an online computer programming lesson in 24 hours. Guvi has also launched a massive tech upskilling initiative called Guvi AI for India 2.0 in collaboration with the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship of India and Skill India. This initiative aims to upgrade the lives of about 500,000 plus aspiring youngsters who are dreaming of a tech career in the fast-paced growing world by providing them with free access to Python programming course in 9 regional languages and a grand one-day virtual event where they will learn and create their own AI and ML project. If you want to know more about Guvi or join any of their courses or programs, you can visit their website at https://www.guvi.in. You can also follow them on their social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and LinkedIn. So what are you waiting for? This is a great opportunity to learn and grow your tech skills in your native language. Go ahead and check out Guvi and let me know in the comments below what course or program you are interested in. I'll try my best to answer any questions or doubts you may have. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in Guvi. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.